How to create a Windows 11 installation USB or Rufus beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Creating a Windows 11 installation USB using Rufus is a straightforward process. Rufus is a free and lightweight tool that allows you to create bootable USB drives from ISO files. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, let's download Rufus and Windows 11 ISO. For this, open any of your browser and go to the official website of Rufus by typing in rufus.ie as well as search for Windows 11 ISO file. You can easily get the Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft. For this, scroll down a bit and choose your download, which is Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Likewise, for the Rufus, scroll down a bit and click on the latest version of the .exe file and set up the installation. It will ask you to extract the files and follow the on-screen instructions. After that is done, insert a USB flash drive with at least of 8 GB of storage capacity in your computer. Be aware that all the data of the USB drive will be erased during this process. Once that is done, open the Rufus application that you downloaded earlier. You may need to grant the administrative privileges depending upon the system settings. Once that is done, select your USB drive from the device drop-down menu. Make sure to choose the correct drive. Under boot selection, select the button and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded. Leave the partition scheme, file stream and cluster size settings at the default values. Ensure that the Create Bootable Disk Using option is set to ISO. Once that is done, click on the Start button to begin creating Windows 11 installation USB. Rufus will warn you that all the data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Click on OK. Now it will begin copying the Windows 11 installation files to the USB drive. This process may take some time depending upon the speed of your USB drive and computer. Once the process is completed, Rufus will display a ready message. After that is done, you can safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Your Windows 11 installation now is ready to use. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.